Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm the DIY girl and today I'll be showing you how to make this easy French bread recipe at home. Now let's get started. In a small bowl, add some warm water, about 109 degrees Fahrenheit. Add 1 tablespoon of active dry yeast and 2.5 teaspoons of sugar. Stir those together and let it sit for at least 5 minutes. You'll know your yeast is active when it starts to foam. Move that off to the side and get your flour ready. In a large bowl, add 2 cups of flour and 2.5 teaspoons of salt. Stir those together, and then you can add your yeast mixture. This next part, you can use a stand mixer if you have one, but I'll be using my hands to knead and a wooden spoon. You will slowly add in about 3 more cups of flour in half-cup increments. Knead together until the dough is smooth and no longer sticky. Pour 1 teaspoon of olive oil over your dough and rub it in. Cover your dough with a tea towel and let it rise for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Flour your surface and pour out your dough. Cut the dough in 2 equal halves. Press and roll out your dough into a rectangle that's about 15 inches. Starting on the longest end, roll your dough. Round out the edges and pinch the seam closed. Repeat those steps with the second half of your dough. Place them onto a parchment-lined baking sheet and make 3 diagonal cuts across each. Cover the loaves with a tea towel and let them rise for 30 to 60 minutes. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake them 18 to 22 minutes or until they are golden brown on top. There you have it. Our French bread is done and it looks amazing. ASMR. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. See you next time.